So a PGCE is a Postgraduate Certificate of Education, and that is a master's level credit, and alongside that you also get QTS, which is your qualified teacher status. So there are two separate assessment processes, one to assess the academic side of the Postgraduate Certificate of Education and one to assess against the professional standards of teaching, which is your qualified teacher status.
Teaching's one of those jobs where there's sort of nothing else like it. As your confidence grows and you start to develop as a teacher and you think, I'm actually putting things that I've been taught in the subject sessions at university into my practice, this is great, I love this. So there's the teaching you how to teach side, but there's sort of the professional conduct side of things as well. I think that the course at Leicester is extremely thorough in terms of teaching you the sort of whole kind of global set of skills that you need to be a good teacher.
The main route of why I want to be a teacher stemmed from my experience at school and the teachers that I had when I was at school, and I want to have that same impact on the future generation and show them that they really can do it. So a typical day, it's very university based at the start. So then by the time when it came to doing your placement, your first ever placement, which it can seem daunting, but actually when it came to it, I felt like I definitely was set up extremely well to be able to do well during my first placement because of that framework that was put in place during the university side. So by the time you get to the side of the actual teaching part, you feel fully prepared and you're ready to take on the practical side of teaching next.
I'd say the support was fantastic. I think the subject tutors specifically, obviously they're your first port of call. So in terms of writing assessments, you could go to either of them and say, oh, I really need a paper on behaviour management, or I really need a paper on adaptive teaching. And the pair of them have got like an encyclopedic knowledge of, right, you want this paper from 2019 by this person, this person, this person. You go and find the paper, it's exactly what you need. I'm very sort of aware of how lucky I am. I work in a very lovely place, I trained at a very lovely place, and I'm aware that I'm very, very fortunate.
So one of the things I like working with the University of Leicester is the fact that they are selective in their candidates. So before they come to us, they already have an understanding of what teaching is about. So I don't choose any of the providers, I only work with the University of Leicester because I know the quality is high, the quality is good, and that's why I only choose University of Leicester as a school.
What we're looking for is for someone who has a passion for teaching and making a difference, having a positive impact on the pupils that they're going to teach. We're looking for someone who's reflective, so that they're continually wanting to improve their practice for the children and the pupils that they teach, and understand that it's a challenging course, but it is absolutely satisfying, and what you get out of it is totally worth the work that you put into it.